Alright guys, we're at the car. Let's put the backpack down. Press this button once, and then press it again, clear some of the fault codes. Start up the car. Star lights. This is the whip right here. Quick little cold start. What y'all think? Pretty loud, no?
But it'll quiet down in like a few seconds.
After it warms up. Oh, that's a pretty sick angle, I'm not gonna lie. Wait. Something like this, we're just driving through the city. Yeah. Alright, let me put you on my forehead, and then we'll get that POV drive going. That's what the car sounds like. That dude came out of nowhere. Quick walk around video. We got the gap cam up there.
514?
Yeah. Thank you.
Post your videos on YouTube?
Yeah, on TikTok.
What's the name?
W222.
Oh, I've seen it before.
You seen it?
Yeah.
Actually?
I swear to God.
That's fire. Which video did you see?
When the police put up on you like twice.
On the side?
Yeah.
That's fire.
That's so fire, bro. Appreciate you.
Alright guys, we in the S-Class. We're in downtown LA. Right now it's 2:30 in the morning. So we're just gonna be cruising around. I tried the other setup earlier where it was like on my sunroof. I didn't really like how that looked because you guys can't see like what's directly in front. So I think this is gonna be better. Alright, let's go. I had this car for about 9 months. So far it's been good. I did have some issues, you know what I'm saying? Like turbo cooling lines going bad, and then I had to change out my thermostat. What else? That's about it, to be honest. Other than that, no major issues. Besides turbo cooling lines, thermostat, this window control module went bad. I had to replace that. It's pretty easy, like took 3 minutes, it just pops out. I installed these LED AC vents. I also added Apple CarPlay to the car because it doesn't come with that. And the vents, they change colors with the car as well, look. So any color the car's got, these vents are. And I also added the star lights up here. Looks pretty sick. And then I lowered the car using lowering links, and then I put on some wheels on it, and then I what else? I feel like I'm forgetting something. I lowered the car, I tinted it, straight piped it. Oh yeah, that's what it was. I straight piped it. I just disconnected the driver's side exhaust clamp, so it's like a free straight pipe, not like a permanent. You know what I'm saying? No welds, no cutting was needed, nothing like that. I just gotta drop that video soon on how to do it. It's super easy. Probably takes like 20 minutes. And then your car can sound like this. That's what the car sounds like. Doesn't sound too bad. Uh-oh, are those cops right there? Those might be cops. Nah, are they? Nah, probably just security. Nah, I don't think so. I was kind of scared. I thought those were cops. Thankfully not. You know what I'm saying? Thankfully not. Thankfully not. Oh, damn. A little Harley Tang. Alright, let's go back to the CarPlay. You just press this button for 3 seconds, and then CarPlay activates. Pretty chill. Wait, where my map's at? Oh, there it is. Alright, I don't know where it's taking me. But let's just keep on driving. Also, I think my brakes need to be changed pretty soon. Oh, that's the truck's brakes, but mine squeak as well. Oh, damn. Bruh. This dude, why'd he just cross the street? He would've got. Oh no. So y'all gotta be careful driving at night, man. You don't know what type of crazy people be out here. You hear that? Let's chill out. Let's chill out, let's chill out, let's chill out. That's why I like driving at night. Nobody's outside. Nobody be outside. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look, nice lights. Prius. Come on, man. What's going on here? Alright, where do we even go from here? I don't even know where I'm going. Yeah, that sounds good. I don't even know where we're at. Oh wait, actually let's go straight. There's a little tunnel. God. Alright, let's chill out. Let's chill out. Alright, let's go right here. Alright, so we gotta go left. Oh look, it's an Audi dealership. But let's go inside the gas station. Get a quick video. Oh, what? That dude came out of nowhere. God damn. It's 2015 S550. Quick walk around video. We got the gap cam up there. This is what the inside looks like, all white. Quick walk around. Just so nobody pulls up on us. Go back inside here. Lock that door, windows down, do that. You know what I'm saying? Woo. Is that a cop? Oh no. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. We're good. We're good. Why am I always so paranoid? No idea. spots. Okay. I kind of like this one. Alright. Alright, so let's keep going straight. I don't like this spot. There's not too much lighting. So we gotta get up out of here, man. Tent shop. Oh no. I don't know if I like this at all, man. We got some graffiti on there. Laundry spot. El Pollo Loco. El Pollo Loco. We gotta get up out of here, bro. This is not a good area. You know it's bad. If there's a laundromat, a tent shop, and graffiti. No. We gotta go, man. We gotta go. Let's try to get out of here. School uniforms. This kind of reminds me of like Algeria when I was there this summer. You got all these random shops. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I don't like where this thing is taking me. Especially not if the car breaks down right here and then I'm gonna have to pull a Justin Bieber, you know what I'm talking about, man? Yeah, I'm out. What does it say? Make it right. Alright, let's go right. Wash. Alright. Alright, it says green, that means we can go. So I'm guessing we can just turn right here. Oh no, I don't like where we're going at all. Oh, I think I took a picture right here next to this gas station when I first bought the car. I'm gonna put that picture up. Oh yeah, I definitely remember this spot. Alright, let's get out of here. We about to go to USC, man. A little change of scenery. Who's that guy crossing the street? So fire. Some Taco Bell. I'm about to go get a cheese bean and rice burrito with no beans. Hello, can I please have a cheese bean rice burrito with no beans? And then can I please have a nacho fries? Alright, thank you.
514?
Yeah. Thank you.
You post your videos on YouTube?
Yeah, on TikTok.
What's the name?
W222 Bert.
Oh, I've seen it before.
You seen it?
Yeah.
Actually?
I swear to swear to God.
That's fire. Which video did you see?
When the police pulled up on you like twice.
On the side?
Yeah.
That's fire.
What's up?
That's so fire, bro. I appreciate you.
Alright,
Fire, bro. Appreciate you.
alright,
I'll see you, bro.
alright.
There's actually no way that I just got recognized at Taco Bell, bruh.